everybody, and welcome to the Quadcopter Review. I'm your host, Pepe Prawns. Today we're here to do our giveaway of the Quad Box Mystery Mini 2S Whoop, and we're going to get started with that right now. And if you haven't seen how I do this, what we do is we take a random YouTube picker, we put the URL of our video into the picker, we hit search, it's going to see how many comments we got, 521 comments. And then we're going to roll down here, and we are going to start the raffle. It's going to pick us a winner. And who do we have? And our winner is CC Cagley. And what he says is, enjoy your channel, really enjoy micro FPV quadcopters. Now, the next thing I do, for any of you that are watching still, I click this person. I go to their YouTube, I check out the channels they are subscribed to, and look for my channel, and here it is, because you must be a subscriber to win here. So there we have it. There he is won. And CC Cagley, please email me at Pepe Prawns, PEPEPRAWNS, at thequadcopterreview.com, so we can set up getting this to you. So for everybody else who's subscribed, I would love to have 500 and something of these to give to every single one of you guys that have put in the time and subscribed to my channel and tried to win something. Now, don't forget, we've got 2 other giveaways going on at the time of filming this video, and I'm always giving stuff away. We're good to have 1 or 2 every month here as long as this channel exists. So stay tuned, stay subscribed. Don't feel bad if you didn't win this one. There's plenty more to come. And as always, guys, thanks for watching and happy flying. Hey guys, thanks for stopping by and checking out the Quadcopter Review. If you want to see more interesting reviews on FPV related stuff, take a look up here in the old right corner right there. You'll find links to all the rest of my reviews. If you want to get in on some of the best giveaways on YouTube, look over here. Don't forget to subscribe right here on my chin. And if you want to check out my flying only videos separated from the review channel, check that out right here. Thanks for coming. Don't forget to subscribe, and happy flying.